Welcome to a world where nature meets nostalgia, and simplicity becomes beauty. In today's video, we explore rustic Mayday spring decor ideas that breathe fresh life into your home using natural textures, soft colors, and vintage charm. Mayday is the perfect moment to celebrate renewal, and with a few thoughtful touches, you can transform your space into a cozy seasonal retreat that feels both timeless and inviting. Mayday represents growth, warmth, and the awakening of nature after a long winter. Rustic decor captures this spirit beautifully by blending organic materials with a lived-in aesthetic. Think weathered wood, soft linens, and floral accents that feel freshly gathered. The goal is not perfection, but authenticity, creating a home that feels connected to the earth and welcoming to everyone who enters. Fresh flowers are at the heart of any spring decor, especially for May Day. Opt for wildflowers, daisies, tulips, or even simple greenery arranged in mason jars or vintage pitchers. Keep the look loose and unstructured, as if the flowers were just picked from a garden. This effortless style enhances the rustic vibe and brings a refreshing burst of life into any room. Incorporating wooden elements instantly adds warmth and texture. Use reclaimed wood trays, distressed picture frames, or handmade wooden signs with spring-inspired messages. These pieces don't need to be polished. Imperfections and worn finishes actually enhance their charm, telling a story of time and use that aligns perfectly with rustic aesthetics. Swap out heavy winter fabrics for light, breathable linens in neutral or pastel tones. Table runners, cushion covers, and curtains in soft beige, cream, or pale green create a calming backdrop for your decor. Linen's natural wrinkles and texture add to the relaxed, lived-in feel that defines rustic spring styling. Create a Mayday table setting that feels like a countryside gathering. Use mismatched plates, antique cutlery, and simple glassware. Add small floral centerpieces and maybe a lace tablecloth for an extra vintage touch. This layered look feels curated yet effortless, perfect for celebrating the season with family and friends. Wicker baskets are both functional and decorative. Use them to hold flowers, blankets, or even as wall decor. Their natural texture complements rustic interiors and adds a sense of coziness. Place a basket filled with fresh blooms by the entryway to create a warm and inviting first impression. A handmade wreath is a beautiful way to welcome the season. Use twigs, dried flowers, and soft ribbons to create a natural-looking piece. Hang it on your front door or above your mantel. The imperfect, handmade quality is what makes it special and perfectly aligned with rustic design principles. Stick to colors inspired by nature, soft greens, warm browns, creamy whites, and muted pastels. These tones create a soothing environment and allow your decor elements to blend harmoniously. Avoid overly bright or artificial colors, as the rustic style thrives on subtlety and natural beauty. Repurpose old glass jars and bottles as vases, candle holders, or decorative accents. Clear or slightly tinted glass works best for a vintage look. Group them together on shelves or tables for a charming display that reflects light and adds a delicate touch to your rustic decor. Incorporate natural elements like branches, stones, or even small potted herbs. These additions blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces, reinforcing the connection to nature. A simple arrangement of greenery on a wooden table can completely transform the atmosphere of a room. Create a cozy nook using a wooden chair, a soft throw, and a small side table with a floral arrangement. This little corner can become a peaceful retreat where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of the season. Rustic decor is all about comfort, so focus on creating spaces that feel warm and inviting. You don't need to overwhelm your space with decorations. Small, thoughtful details like floral prints, light candles, or a simple garland can make a big impact. The key is balance, letting each piece shine without cluttering the overall look. Add a personal touch with DIY crafts or heirloom items. Whether it's a hand-stitched pillow, a vintage clock, or a family photo in a rustic frame, these elements bring character and meaning to your decor. Rustic style thrives on individuality and storytelling. Your entryway sets the tone for your home. Add a rustic bench, a basket of flowers, and maybe a simple welcome sign. This area should feel fresh and inviting, giving guests a glimpse of the cozy, nature-inspired decor that awaits inside. Rustic Mayday spring decor is all about celebrating nature, simplicity, and warmth. By incorporating natural materials, soft colors, and vintage-inspired elements, you can create a home that feels refreshed and full of life. As the season changes, let your space reflect the beauty of renewal and the joy of simple, meaningful living.